Hi everyone, my name is Mark. Today I will guide you on how to create estimates using Service Pro911 application. What's the importance and benefit of estimate feature in Service Pro911? Set customer expectations right from the start. Service Pro911 enables you to provide accurate cost estimates for your services. The system automatically syncs with your inventory, making it easy to generate estimates for your customers. You can effortlessly share estimates via email or SMS, allowing customers to prepare for the expected costs. First, select the Estimate button on the upper portion of your console. After that, select the customer from your Service Pro911 application. Next, you can change the assigned employee by clicking the drop-down button and choose your desired employee for your customer. Now, let's add a memo for our customer's estimates. Next, select the item that your customer desired for your service and add it to your estimates. You can search the item by typing it to search box. Since we choose a variable item, we need to input the price manually. Then click Set Price. Now that we have successfully added the item or service, we can now click the Create Estimate to complete the transaction. Remember, when you click Create Estimate, it will automatically trigger an email and SMS to your customer. A pop-up of the created estimate will show. This is how it looks like on customer's end. It has the company details, customer details, estimate details, shipping address, service purchased, and charges. They also have an option for Pay Now. On the lower part, here are the messages on estimates and on invoice, terms and conditions, and the cancellation and return policy. On the upper portion of the pop-up, you have the option to resend via email or SMS, edit estimates, pay estimates, and reassign employee. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.